In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board for faster project setup. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time or brushing up your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process to get consistent, reliable results when duplicating a board. First, open the board you want to replicate. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact setup you want to mirror: lists, labels, and overall structure, so your copy starts from a solid foundation. You'll also want to make sure you have access to the board and that it's in good shape, since the copy reflects what you see here. Next, head to the top right corner of the board. Click the three dots or the Show Menu button under your profile picture. This is where Trello tucks away the more advanced options for managing your board. In the menu, select More. That expands a deeper set of tools that go beyond day-to-day card management. From there, click Copy Board. This creates a new board based on the current one without changing your original. It's perfect for reusing a workflow, building from a template, or spinning up a repeatable project. Now it's time to configure the settings for your duplicate. Start by typing a new title. I like to use a clear naming format, something like the project name plus a date or version, so it's easy to find and sort later. Then choose the target workspace. Think of a workspace as the home for your board. Select the one where your team collaborates and make sure you have permissions to place it there. Next, set the visibility level. Private means only invited members can see it, which is ideal for sensitive work. Workspace allows everyone in your workspace to view it. Great for cross-team transparency. Public makes the board visible to anyone with the link, which can be useful for documentation, but double-check that no confidential information is present before choosing this option. You'll see options to keep cards and keep template cards. If you want a clean slate with just the structure, lists, labels, and settings, leave these unchecked. If you want to clone the full content, including cards and their details, check Keep Cards. Keep Template Cards includes only cards marked as templates, which is a nice middle ground if you want starter examples without all the live tasks. When everything looks right, click the blue Create. Trello will spin up your new board in seconds, and you're ready to get to work with a consistent, proven setup. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.